Linh-chan and Dimi-chan craft art. Welcome back, Chan-chans.
Welcome back.
So today I'm making Aqua.
Aqua from Konosuba.
She's gonna purify everything. So first you're gonna purify the body, right?
Yeah.
So as usual, you use your handy dandy cones.
Yeah, I don't know why I didn't start with the head, which is...
Yeah, you always start with the head.
Yeah, I always start with the head.
What are you trying to do?
I think this one, I was a little bit flustered while recording this for some reason.
Mm-hmm.
And I was doing everything out of order.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so.
So starting with the body. As unusual.
As unusual. And then this is the head.
So. I don't know why the second season of this anime did not get as much attention as the first one.
It wasn't that great though.
It was pretty freaking great.
I think it's because like all of the new things that you were not expecting already happened in the first season.
Mm-hmm.
So then the second season was just
it wasn't as special anymore.
Yeah, it wasn't as special. There was no new discovery
mm-hmm.
about each character, you know?
Well, it's still pretty funny.
It was funny, but
I think the climax of the second season, if you haven't seen it, it's a little bit of spoilers. But the whole hot spring debacle, that was pretty good. I like that.
I don't remember. It's only been like a year ago, right?
Yeah.
It was very funny.
And I'm the one that has the horrible memory.
Whatever.
So here you're making her arms or legs?
I have no idea.
I think you're making her legs.
Sure. I don't remember arms. What I'm doing.
It's probably her arms since you're making so many pieces.
Yeah.
See,
the arms.
I've gone good enough at this that...
upper arms, and then going down is the lower arms, and then the elbows.
I was saying, I think I've gotten so good that I can tell what you're doing just from the time lapse. So, as usual, you're using your wonderful instruments to make your pieces fall apart.
Yeah.
So, is there anything about this figure in particular that you found challenging?
Well, for right now, like dealing with the arms was a little bit challenging because I had to use white paper, and the white was from a different source, so it was a lot thicker.
Got it.
So I was not able to roll it out smoothly.
It's not as uniform as the rest of them. Yeah, so I think these are the legs right here. Because you have the skin tone as the outer one.
Yeah.
And these you'd had trouble with.
Yeah. But it's okay.
It's okay. Turned out alright.
Turned out alright.
Alright.
See, I had... So then, because I didn't glue all the strips together, I was being lazy here. So when I was pushing them out, they weren't uniform. So then I was like, okay, let's undo them and then glue them all together.
And try again.
Many, many times.
It's the fifth time that's...
Which is why when I was recording this, I was very flustered because the paper was not cooperating with me. Nothing was working. Nothing was going smoothly at all.
Well, looks pretty good in the end.
Well, because it's a time lapse, so it's sped up so much.
Through the magic of editing, all the flaws disappear.
Seriously. And I did this recording in two days because the first day it was not working out. I'm like, I don't want to do this anymore. So I just stopped.
Let us know in the comments below if you can spot the exact time, the exact time when the days switch over.
Yeah, a little bit of trouble there.
I had a lot in my brain. My brain is not happy right now.
Not functioning.
What's that called? The
brain fart.
No, the time thing. It has a name. Oh my gosh, I'll remember later. Next week. For next week's video, I'll completely forget.
I have no idea what you just said. I know what you're saying, but I don't know what you're saying.
So here you're making the skirt.
Yes, I'm making the skirt. It's kind of cute.
It's very cute.
Yeah.
It just kind of fits into the body like that, right?
Yeah. Well, I try to make it so it fits in.
Yeah.
And then there I have to shave off a little bit from the base.
Because you added some extra
Because I added,
layers.
I added extra layers in the outside. And then that's where her top? Yeah, her top.
It's her top or her butt crack?
No, her top. It has a slit there.
And then the accents on her dress.
Yeah, this one has a lot on the skirt, on the shirt. What else? I don't remember.
Well, it's coming together.
Yeah.
So, we're finally finishing up with Naruto. It's been months, I'd say, that we've been watching.
Yeah, we're near the end, like the last few episodes of Naruto. Shippuden, anyway.
Yeah. We thought we'd spare you more Naruto figures, so we ended up doing an Aqua.
Yeah.
And you said you made a few of the other characters from Konosuba as well, right?
Yeah, so I made a Megumin, which you can probably find in one of our playlists of a video of how Megumin was made. And then I also made one of Darkness, but I don't have a video for that. That's gonna be some other time, if I have time, or if I decide to continue with the Konosuba series.
Have you posted a picture on your Instagram of Darkness?
No.
So don't check out the Instagram.
I usually post. Well, you can go on my Instagram. There are pictures of other characters from Naruto that I don't plan on making a video for, that I made a figure of. So you can probably find them on my Instagram. But other than that, I don't usually post pictures of characters that I might do a video for. So I'm leaving Darkness in the open for now.
Got it. So check back later for a potential video Darkness.
Yeah.
She'll be very happy that you don't watch her.
She turned out pretty good, yeah. And then I was working on making a prototype for, what's his name? Kazuma?
I think it's Kazuma.
I think that's what his name
Generic
is.
name A. John Smith.
But I end up not completing him because he turned out to be so much shorter than all the other figures. So I kind of shrunk him a little in the process.
So that's the head that you usually do first.
Yeah, I usually do first. So I'm telling you, I'm doing everything out of order. And then now I'm doing the hair. So there you got a, what is it? Sneak peek at
the final product.
Completed figure. Yeah, because I needed a measure. I needed to measure the head. It was in there for
I missed it.
It was in there for like 2 seconds. I brought it in to measure.
Well, you'll see it at the end.
How long the hair should be. Yeah.
You'll also see it in the thumbnail.
I love the blue hair color. Of course, I mean, we don't look good in real life with blue hair. But all these characters that have like colorful hair colors are so nice.
I think in real life, if you do it properly, colored hair looks pretty awesome.
Except nothing's permanent though, right? None of the hair dyes are permanent.
Yeah, you have to keep applying it.
Yeah.
There's no way to genetically have crazy colored hair and just keep it permanent.
One day we might be able to have permanent hair colors.
Well, that day, well, I guess we're getting closer and closer to like people being okay with you having colored hair, you know? I had colored hair for a whole year. Every month I did a different color.
Yeah, I remember that.
It was very fun.
I mean, even on our wedding day, his hair was cyan. What? Cyan. Sorry, cyan.
Scion. And beyond.
But for our wedding, it was in November, so he was going down the color spectrum, and it landed on cyan. So all of the photos are
yeah, since
your hair popped out.
Since I needed to bleach my hair monthly, I decided to be semi-nice to myself and go with colors that would blend into each other as they fade out. So here you're doing the hair being pulled back. So this is Aqua as she becomes an old lady.
Yeah, kind of pulled back, but like it's tied up, you know? Because she has a really unique, I don't know, like loop in the back. So these are her tassels.
Glorious, glorious tassels. And her front bangs.
So for this one, I didn't pre-cut anything.
Mm-hmm.
I cut it as I was recording it.
Yep.
So Dimitri, in some of my other previous videos, I've been lazy and I pre-cut some of the hair pieces and bring them in, and Dimitri did not like that.
No, I think you should show it. That way everyone understands that it's truly handmade, hand cut. There's no shenanigans happening.
So there I made the hair loop, but it was too big, so I had to redo it.
Use the wrong finger.
And this one, no, it's just I didn't tighten it enough.
Mm-hmm.
So now this piece is the hair.
Whee! I love watching you cut quickly.
And that's the end of the hair when, like, you know, the tail when you tie it up.
Mm-hmm.
So
The tip.
the tip, yeah.
The loose ends.
And then her hair thing.
And her ornamentation.
Usually the hair looks so weird when it's not completed.
Mm-hmm.
But once it's complete, it looks a lot better.
Well, it's like real people as they are doing their super fancy hair. They have all this stuff in their head.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
They look pretty terrifying.
Yeah.
Real people are terrifying. You heard it here first, kids. So this is her headdress.
So this video is technically late. Normally,
Very late. Yeah, it should have came out last week. Sorry, guys.
No, well, it should have came
Sorry,
out
Chans.
3 days ago.
Oh, yeah. As we're recording.
Yeah.
I think I'm just going to put this out on Sunday. Give us a little leeway.
But Dimitri didn't finish editing it.
Sorry.
So you got a week without a video.
Just fine.
We gotta be consistent. What if we have like some, you know, hardcore loyal subscribers that were waiting for this video?
And then I am very sorry to those wonderful subscribers who give us your eyeballs. We like eyeballs. Check out the cool stuff we make with your eyeballs.
In your ears, because you have to listen to us talk. Unless you don't. Unless you always mute the thing, then you probably don't know we're talking right now.
This is a good point to let everyone know that we do talk during these episodes. So if you are currently muted, now would be a good time to unmute.
But they wouldn't know, right? Because it's muted.
So here you're doing the final bow.
The little detail. What do you mean it's final? There's only one bow.
Well, it's the final piece. And then she's done, I think.
Kind of. Is she? No.
What's left?
She has to purify water with her
right.
fans.
Spoilers. Her one and good.
I love these gel pens that I got. When I started doing this, I was using color pencils but then they don't really pop at all. So then I was like, I need a set of gel pens. Oh, there goes my head. Did you see? There's a snippet of my face in there.
Your identity is revealed.
I'm sure they've seen this before.
The secret identity.
Oh, I don't know if you've noticed, but I have a sweater on now.
It's cold.
It's freezing. And this is the second day we're recording it. Because things weren't going well for me the first day. So I stopped midway. So the part where you start seeing the sweater, that's me setting a second day.
Oh.
And here I'm doing
inside scoop.
And here I'm doing the fan. So it's like a paper fan. Well, it could be a fabric, I guess. But a handheld fan. There. You can see it.
I like how you made it like a fan would be constructed. Like you did have two pieces of the paper.
On each side.
Yeah. I appreciate that level of detail.
Details.
So.
Well, if you're gonna do something, you gotta do it right? And if you're gonna put this much effort on it, might as well make it look nice. So there's a fan.
They're pretty fans.
And those are supposedly flowers, but it's okay.
Close enough.
So the tip of the thing is too big, so. And here you probably can't see, but I was drawing out the water that normally spill out of her fans.
Mm-hmm.
They look like little palm trees, actually.
We live in California. Close enough.
You're giving away where we live.
Spoilers.
So yeah, there's water spewing out of there. And then now I gotta glue the hands on. So here I am starting to do the base before while the hand dries. And these are all the colors in the Konosuba tiles.
Mm-hmm. I must admit, I'm very mesmerized by watching paper twill.
I'm starting to get paper cuts again.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Didn't you callus your fingers up pretty well?
Well, I guess the part that are getting cut aren't calloused up.
Not yet. That was my second favorite part, is watching the glue dry on the base. Because it dries so quickly on the time lapse.
Oh, what am I doing? Oh, she got decapitated.
What happened? I was paying attention to the base.
Her arms were too folded inward. I need to move, because when I put the fans on, they both cover her face.
Mm-hmm.
So I need to flip the arms outward a little bit. But since by then the glue had almost dried already.
Mm-hmm.
So, but yeah, that's my prototype.
And there you have it.
Thank you for watching.
So cute. How can we make them so cute every time? It's not fair.
Know.
Actually, it's pretty fair because I get to see them first.
So.
Well, thanks for watching, everyone. Tune in next week for Mystery Figure.
Well, it's not mystery.
No, it's not mystery. Who is it?
It's gonna be Pito. I think that's how you pronounce it.
Uh-huh.
It's a figure from Hunter x Hunter. It's one of our previous I forgot. Oh. Anyway, I'll continue that next time.
Bye, everyone.